Okay, so this is Coral Shores, where we have our timeshare that I posted about earlier, and a lot of you asked me about it. So I'm gonna do like a quick outside walk around so you guys can kind of see everything. That's a sign. We're on Gulf Boulevard in North Redington Beach, so that you can see everything. And then later, once I clean up the mess that's in our room, I'll show you that. So this is the front office. That's the parking. And then you walk in here, and there are 3 levels on this side and on this side up front. Just 1 level up here. So hopefully Facebook will let me keep playing this because they have this cute little speaker system out here, but then Facebook is weird with music. So our unit is right down here in front of the pool. It's like the staff room. There's a laundry room here because you're here a week at a time, so there's a laundry room. And then there is an outside bathroom over here, so you can use the property. Once you own it, you can use the property anytime you want. So I won't come to the beach unless I come here because I like having a pool and a bathroom and all that kind of other good stuff. So the bathroom leads right up to the pool, which you can also get to on the other side, but straight to here. So these people are all on vacation. I'm actually working out here. So cool. And then this is our unit here, right there, the 110, that's available for this week, week 31. So this is all our unit. So it looks right out to the pool, and then the water behind it. But it's nice because it's the end unit, so it's kind of private. So hot tub, and then I'll take you out to the beach so you can see that. So we like coming out here even when it's not our week because you can use the pool, you can use the hot tub, you can use the grill, you can use the potty, there's parking, and it's not as crazy as like some of the public beaches as far as crowds. So here's like the deck area. There's a couple little tiki things that you can sit at. There's a grill you can use, and you can use that even if you're coming out for the day and not staying here that week. There are kayaks, 2-person and single-person kayaks that you can use. You just get the key from the front office. They've got movies you can check out there too. And then this is our beach view and the little shower to rinse off when you come in off the beach. And this is in North Redington Beach in Florida. All right, so room tour coming later when I clean the room, I promise. Okay.